This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting tools and securing the truck. Disconnect the negative battery so you don't trip airbags or electronics. Mask the bumper edges to protect paint. Open the hood and locate grille fasteners. Some are visible on top, others behind the bumper. Use a 10 mm socket for bolts and plastic trim tools for clips. Pry gently to free plastic rivets. Once the top clips are loose, support the grille with your hand so it won't fall when you release lower catches. With the grille partially free, work methodically. Remove side fasteners first, then the lower tabs so pressure is evenly released. Pull the grille forward a few inches to expose the emblem rear. You want room, but don't fully detach until emblem is out. Identify the plastic retaining tabs around the emblem. There are usually 4 or 6. Use a small flat screwdriver or pick to press and release each tab while pushing the emblem forward from behind. This combination of push plus depress lets the emblem pop out cleanly. After the emblem drops out, clean any adhesive or dirt from the grille opening so the replacement or blanking plate seats flush. If you plan to reinstall a new emblem, align tabs and press until each clicks. For blanking, use automotive adhesive rated for exterior use. Reattach the grille by lining up lower tabs, then secure side clips and torque the top bolts to spec. Reconnect the battery. If a clip is stuck, apply gentle heat to soften plastic, or use a replacement clip rather than forcing and cracking the grille.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.